Hello guys, today is Wednesday and today we are in page number 63. Okay, up the top of the page in the platform you can access to a video about the reading and a quiz. If you cannot access to the platform, go directly to the next activity, activity number 2, okay? Activity number 2 is about a reading called Wall of Water. Okay, let's read. Water covers more than 70% of the Earth's surface. This is the Earth, okay? This is the water, and this means 70% of the surface. There are two types of water, salt water and fresh water. Fresh water is the water we can drink and we can use for showers and everything we need. The Earth's 5 oceans contain salt water. Less than 3% of the water on the Earth is fresh water. So be careful, we have only 3% in the Earth about fresh water. We can find it in rivers, lakes, and under the ground. Fresh water also turns into snow and ice on mountains and near the North and South Poles. This is the North Pole and this is the South Pole. Here we can find ice and snow. All living things need water. Some animals and plants can live in salt water. Some animals, but humans and many other animals and plants need fresh water. We can store some fresh water in reservoirs, like this. This is a reservoir. Often we don't think about where water comes from. We turn on the tap, this is the tap. We turn on the tap and it comes out. But there is very little fresh water in the world. So we have to save water. Save is very important. Here are 3 ways to start saving water. So let's start saving water. How we can save water? We can have a short shower, not a bath. Turn the tap off. This is the tap off when you are brushing your teeth. When you are brushing your teeth, try to tap off the tap. Collect rainwater to water plants. So we can use the rain to water the plants. Very easy. Now, after the reading, as always we do in class, we do activity 3. As we always know, as we do, we have to answer the 6 questions. Question number 1. What are the 2 types of water? Look in the test here and look for the answer in the test. There are 2 types of water, salt water and fresh water. So the answer for number 1 will be, there are 2 types of water, blah, 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 okay? Number 2, how much on the Earth's water is fresh water? Only the fresh water, how much? 3, what type of water is there in the oceans? Okay, what type? Number 4, where can we find fresh water? Where? Remember, where? 5, where can we store fresh water? Where? 6, which ways of saving water does the test mention? Do you do any of these? Do you do any of these? Okay? Very easy. Remember to try to write with whole sentences, okay? Always when it's possible. Goodbye.